And now let's dive into building your yearly roadmap from vision into actionable plan. And this is the final installment in this series of sessions for the webinar, The Economics of Growth. And we're going to be diving into that key topic and tying everything up with that, building your yearly roadmap. Let's imagine it's December 31st, 2025, and you're looking back on the year and you realize you absolutely crushed it. You didn't just survive, you thrived. Your goals achieved. Your growth massive, and your confidence through the roof. Now here's the question. How do you make that vision a reality? The answer is very simple. You need a roadmap. Because let's face it, goals without a plan are mere wishes. And today we are going to look into how to turn your vision for the year into actionable plans you can actually follow. As we always do, we are great at dreaming big. We have this ambition and we have these gigantic goals we write down. And we always feel motivated for a week or two or even a month, and then life gets in the way. What happens? Our goals lose momentum. And because we didn't create a system to sustain them, it dies out. And the truth is, you can't grow by accident. You can only grow by design. So a yearly roadmap is something you design for your growth. It's how you design your growth. So it's not about perfection, like I've said before. It's about having clarity. It's about being consistent, and it's about being intentional. So your yearly roadmap deals with clarity, brings consistency, and helps you remain intentional. The yearly roadmap is not another list of goals. No. So it's more like a strategy for success. So think of it like planning a road trip. Your vision for the year 2025 is the destination. And then your quarterly milestones, like we saw in the last session, are the checkpoints. And your daily and weekly actions are the steps that keep you moving towards that destination. The importance of breaking goals into smaller steps cannot be overemphasized. Saying each minute you spend in planning saves as many as 10, even more in execution. I'll say that again. Each minute you spend in planning save as many as 10 minutes and more when you execute on that plan. So a roadmap is what then helps you eliminate guesswork. It helps you stay focused, stay grounded, and it helps you track your progress throughout the time frame of 12 months. Let's be real. Most of us start the year with best intentions, but by February, our planners are already gathering dust and our goals are, somewhere in the back of our minds. This happens from time to time, but we need to fix that. And the roadmap is what fixes that. So your roadmap is like having a GPS for the year. Exactly. So you're no more wandering aimlessly or getting stuck in analysis paralysis. And no, Google Maps will not help you with this one. So here are practical steps on how to build your yearly roadmap. Number one, in creating a roadmap for 2025, you want to start with your vision. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve this year? Be specific and tied to your core value. Number two, set quarterly milestones. Divide your vision into 4 milestones, one for each quarter. Example, could be that you want to launch an online business. Yeah? So quarter 1 could be research and finalize your business idea. Quarter 2 could be build and test your website. Quarter 3 could be launch your first product. And quarter 4 could be scaling your marketing efforts. So you break those down into further monthly goals. For each quarter, you set specific monthly targets. So for example, for quarter one, January could be finalizing your business idea. February could be creating a structured and standard business plan. And March could be identifying the key resources you need in kickstarting that business. Then you go on to plan weekly and daily actions. You want to identify 1 to 3 actions you need to take each day to stay on track. You also want to use tools like planners, like we've discussed before, digital apps, or simple to-do lists, to help you stay organized. So you want to then move on to scheduling regular check-ins. So it could be at the end of the day, could be at the end of the week, but at least have a scheduled review every week and then every month. You want to ask yourself, what did I do this week? What did I do this month that actually worked? What did I do this week or this month that did not work? And you want to ask, what exactly did I do? What are the things that I worked on this month or this week that needs adjusting? Yeah? So you want to focus on that and then move on from there, because those regular checks in will help you review your steps so far and then be able to improve where necessary, adapt where necessary, or even change where necessary. JP always talks about the importance of creating order out of chaos, and a roadmap for the year is one key tool that you can use to turn the chaos of daily life in the year 2025 into a clear path forward towards attaining and achieving that vision that you want to achieve by the end of the year. So it's not just about achieving the goals also. It's about becoming the type of person, the kind of person who is intentional, the kind of person who is focused, the kind of person who is in control of their life. So when you have a roadmap, what happens is you are not just hoping for success. You are actually building the success one day at a time, one step at a time, one task at a time. So here's my challenge for you. Take as much time as you need this weekend, next weekend, or whenever you seek to plan for the year ahead. Write down your vision for the year. What's one milestone you can put down for quarter one? Put down 3 actions that you take this week. It's never too early to start preparing for the year ahead. This week or next month or even from January. Put those 3 actions down. And then you have to remember, your roadmap doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to keep you moving in the right direction. And you have to be intentional about following it. All right, guys. That's it for this session. And that's the concluding part of our webinar, the Economics of Growth. I believe you've learned a lot that will help you achieve your goals in the new year. Attain your vision for the year 2025 and keep winning every step of the way. Here's to me wishing you success. 2025 is yours for the taking. Plan boldly, act consistently, and remember, every small step you take brings you closer to the person you're meant to be. So let's make 2025 a year to remember, and I wish you success all through. Cheers, guys. Thanks for joining the webinar. Bye.